Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to supercharge your productivity and achieve extraordinary results? In today's video, we're diving into a game-changing book that reveals the power of focus and simplicity in our pursuit of success. Get ready for an insightful summary of The One Thing by Gary Keller and Papasan. If you're eager to revolutionize your approach to productivity, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. 1. The power of singular focus. The One Thing introduces the concept of focusing on the one most essential task that drives significant results. Gary Keller and Papasan emphasize that by narrowing our attention, we can achieve unparalleled success. 2. The Domino Effect. The book discusses the domino effect, how achieving one significant task can trigger a chain reaction of success in other areas. Keller and Papasan explain how small actions can lead to remarkable outcomes. 3. Avoiding distraction and multitasking. The authors address the pitfalls of multitasking and distractions. The One Thing advocates for minimizing distractions and dedicating focused time to our most important task. 4. Setting priorities and goal alignment. The book provides strategies for setting clear priorities and aligning our actions with our long-term goals. Keller and Papasan stress the importance of choosing tasks that have the greatest impact. 5. Creating a productive environment. The One Thing explores the concept of creating an environment that supports our focus. The authors offer insights into organizing our space and time for optimal productivity. 6. Overcoming challenges and obstacles. Keller and Papasan discuss overcoming challenges and adversity on the path to our goals. The book highlights the role of persistence and resilience in achieving extraordinary results. 7. Mindset and time management. The authors delve into the mindset needed for success and effective time management. The One Thing emphasizes the power of disciplined routines and habits. 8. The Path to Mastery. The book concludes by discussing the journey to mastery. Keller and Papasan emphasize that dedicating ourselves to continuous improvement in our one thing leads to exponential growth. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the transformative principles within The One Thing by Gary Keller and Papasan. This book equips us with the tools to narrow our focus, achieve extraordinary outcomes, and harness the power of simplicity. If this summary resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. I highly recommend diving into this book, so buy it in the links below in paper, ebook, or audiobook formats. Remember to subscribe for more empowering content, and let's work together towards mastering the art of singular focus. Thanks for watching.